Are you starting your YouTube journey like I did about a year ago? If so, let me give you three tips to help you out. Because in these three tips, when I watched the video for Mr. Beast, it taught me everything that I needed to know. Because number one, you need to understand your audience. Number two, you need to understand your content, your message needs to be clear. And three is simple and super easy, is you just can't care. Don't care. And I'm going to start with number three. Do not care about what you're about to do in regards to what you're going to post. Because in the back of your head, you're going to be thinking about your family, your friends, your colleagues, how you're going to look. It doesn't matter. It matters when it comes to you getting better as a leader, you getting better as a videographer, you getting better as an influencer, you being better as a YouTuber. Look, I've been doing podcasting for over 10 years, have over 1,000 uploads, and I've been doing this for quite a while, but it's just audio. And when I started doing YouTube, I started to care about so many more details and the intricacies of being intentional, from your YouTube title to your thumbnail, the first 30 seconds. Your perspective changes on everything. Because let me start with number one, because I already said don't care, all right? Let me come to number one. It's going to be your audience. You can't just pray and spray, okay? You can't do that. You can't pray and spray. That's not how YouTube works. YouTube only understands that your channel is fitting for one person. It's going to be suited for one person. That it's going to be designed for one person. You're creating videos for one person. You can create multiples, like I've done for faith. I've done golfing, I've done marketing, I've done business, I've done entrepreneurship, I've done my family, right? And my channel has grown slowly, not as fast as it could, especially certain videos, but I've posted over 400 videos in the past 320 some days, 300, about 50 days, because I'm almost at my year mark. And my audience is skewed because I'm talking about so many different things, and I'm talking about all aspects of my life. So my audience is not exactly very crystal clear. And so for you, you want to define who that audience is very early. That's number one. Because remember, number three is you just don't care what you're going to put out, because number two, your content is solving their problem. Okay? You have a solution, and you have a solution. I almost messed that up. You have a solution that is providing them, because they're searching, they are looking, they are seeking for someone to help them. And it could be from entertainment, right? Because they're bored, they're scrolling, or they're looking for an answer because they have this question that's just them scratching their head and like, how can I find this answer? Like, what can I do to find this answer? Who on YouTube can provide me this answer? And again, I've been all over the place with what I've said, what I talked about, the videos I created. But when Mr. B said, you're creating 100 videos, come back to me and let me know what you think, right? If you want to continue to do this. Well, after creating 100 videos, I realized that it's so much harder than what you think it is, because you may not be getting the results that you think, and that's okay. What's more important is that you're speaking to that one person that wants to hear from you. You're creating these videos for that audience, that avatar that does want to hear from you. And before you know it, you will start getting comments. You will get engagement. I started having people call me. In this journey, it hasn't been hard, but my business model has completely changed. I have gone viral on one of my other channels. It has been almost as a purging of what I thought was important, because what I thought was important was not important. And that's the crazy thing, because now my whole perspective on my business has changed. I have changed my business model. When I said business model, I'm not offering the same products, the same services. I'm not as available as I used to be. I'm also looking at taking better care of myself, because I'm realizing now specifically the direction I want to go in. And so I don't have that energy just to be all over the place. So that's been my journey. The three things has helped me that I want to help you with. Number one, be 100% clear when you're talking to your audience. You can't talk to everybody because you're not for everybody, which means that number two, you're solving that one person's problem. You're creating your videos to be the solution to their problem. So you're going to provide pleasure to their pain, okay? Right? They got a problem. you got the solution. They got the supply, you got the demand, which means to number 3, you're going to do it your way. You're going to be authentically you, because you're not going to care about how you saw that person do it, or this person do it, or them do it over there, right? You're going to do it the way you want to do it, and you're not going to care. Look, you're going to have some fumbles. You're going to flop the ball. You're going to drop the ball. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Just be who you are. Use your surrounding, use your props, use your whatever you feel is you. Like, don't feel like you gotta go buy anything extra from your phone. You don't need any fancy camera. You just need to show up as you. That's the 3 things that I want to help you out with. And you can tell people to like, and you can subscribe. People will already do that. If you're still watching, you probably have thought about, I might subscribe more to him. You might be thinking, I should like this video. You might say, well, I want to check out some of his other videos. Well, what you're thinking is what your viewers are going to be thinking. So give them something of substance. I won't say tangible, but something of substance that they can hold on to where they can say, you know what? I'm going to go check them out. Those are the 3 tips I can give you that has helped me on my journey. I'm only on year 1. As I'm about to start on year 2, it's going to be so much more relaxing because I'm going to enjoy the process. Unlike the last year, I've been really just trying to figure out how to do this, because I have been looking for those vanity metrics. I have been looking for the likes. And I'm going to tell you, you just need one. You know how many people, one person after another, have told me they watched my video, they liked my YouTube, they checked out my channel, they subscribed to my channel, they actually thanked me for my video to help them with their business. They have now subscribed, but they have also signed up for my business services, right? You didn't hear me pitch anything that was on my website. You just heard me talk about the 3 things to help you. And that's what you want to do, is tell people how you can help them. And if they want to follow you, great. If not, move on. Because guess what? There are over 100 million people that watch YouTube videos a day. You want yours to be one of them. So with that, I wish you nothing but the best. Dream big, Godspeed, and go get your blessings. Be you.